Hi, Professor Sperno. This is Kenneth Bartle. I'm one of your students here at Physics 133 at AMU. And today I'm doing my first lab, which is the distance traveled by a projectile. So to kind of show you my setup here, we're working here on my dining room table. But if you look here, so we're going to be measuring we've got some marbles here and we're gonna place them on our ramp. So I've marked off, here we got 10 inches, 6 inches, and 3 inches. And I've converted those to meters. But essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of these marbles right here and we're gonna place them at each length here on our ramp for a couple samples. So essentially we'll do 4 trials and measure out how far they fall. Also, you see I have a projector that measures the angle at which the ramp is. And then finally, what we did here, so we got some fishing line, and then we put a little weight at the end. We put it at the end of the table here so we know where our start point is, which we have marked by a fishing line and a ruler or a tape measurement thing down there. So I've also taped some paper down here so it won't move, and then I have a ruler to help me measure where the ball strikes. Where the paper actually has here is little X's where the ball actually landed. Unfortunately, so when I went through my lab kit, I did not see any carbon paper. I actually used that QR code for my contents list, and it did not have anything labeled or anything showing that I was supposed to have carbon paper. So essentially I had somebody actually help me. So they actually dropped the ball exactly where the marks are there. And then I got down here so I could get a better idea of where I wanted to actually see where the ball dropped. It was kind of what I had to make do with. But for the most part, seemed like it was pretty consistent. So essentially now what we're gonna do is take our numbers here and we're gonna put it into our data chart right here. And now we should be able to calculate other distances and the percentage errors and etc. So I hope that kind of explains what we're kind of doing here today. And I do look forward to more of these experiments. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.